Yes! Bro, look at what they did.
Oh, that's my brother.
This is taking forever, man. Today, we are going to one of the craziest comps I've ever been to. We might see some ups, some downs, and yeah. I am basically doing almost every single event, which includes 5x5, pyramids, 2x2, 3x3, clock, cube, and how can you forget the square one? Oh, it's killing me, man. Yes, finally. I'm done. Anyways, so without further ado, let's get into the comp. In order to keep this video short but entertaining, I had to cut out a lot of it. So I will only be showing the best solve of that specific event. But don't worry, there will be very crazy things coming up. So keep watching. Alright, my first event is clock and we're almost about to start. For my first solve, I didn't think this went too bad. Yeah, just take a good look. Alright, so we're about to start one-handed. It didn't went well for clock, but that's okay. One-handed went terrible. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just gonna speed this bit up because it's gonna take a bit long. But yeah, one-handed did not went well. Alright, so we're going to start with Cube. Yeah guys, it's Cube. What else do I need to say? Alright, so I'm done with Cube, so we're going to do square one right now. Hopefully it goes better than last time. And that was the end of day one. On to day two. It is day two of the Cubing Nationals, and today we're doing 2x2 and 3x3. Yesterday went pretty well, except for yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. So let's get into day two. Oh no! Alright, we're about to start with 3x3. So yes, that's the first event for the day. So let's get to it. Hey guys, I'm sad to say that my fastest solve in round one was a 17 seconds. Yeah, but sometimes it happens. You just gotta get through this.
Over here.
starting with 2x2 and 3x4 with trash. It's pretty okay 2x2. Yeah, it's pretty okay 2x2 solve. After 2x2 we had lunch. So you know where we had to go. You know I gotta get the Mickey D's with the fizz, the Happy Meal and the McFlurry. After that I had quite a bit of time before my next event, so I just played around.
Let me go ask my brother.
Then I helped out a bit with the tiny cubes. It was so bad. Alright, so we're about to start with 5x5. I am very slow in 5x5, but that's okay. I still enjoy the puzzle a lot. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I edit these videos all by myself, and I do spend a lot of time in it. So thanks for everybody who does and does support me. I know I'm really small at the moment, but I think we can grow quite a bit. So yeah, just take a look at this 5x5 solve. After 5x5 I had another long time to mess around, so yeah, this is where history was made. Take a look. Who will win this insane battle of foosball, me or my mom? Well, there's only one way to find out. Look at all this. You know what it's for? It's for that red subscribe button, which you should definitely click. Subscribe. We are starting with pyramids right now, so yeah, I'm going to this pyramid station. I am super happy with this pyramid solve. I've been wanting it for a very long time, so yeah. So, it is day 3 of the comp, and today I'm doing pyramids 2x2 and 3x3. Yesterday I got my PR single for pyramids. That was a crazy scramble, and yeah, I'm really excited for today, so let's get into the video. 3x3 is first. I bought this Mega Mix, so I will unbox it later. So yeah, let's get into 3x3. I'm not gonna skip or fast forward this in any way because it was crazy. Yes! Alright, so we're about to start with pyramids. I got my PR for 3x3, 12 point something. It was a pretty okay average, but a really nice single. So let's get into pyramids. I don't know what happened with pyramids this round, but it's okay. Alright, so before we get into the next part, let me share the full story to you. So Co.za had this game that you could play where you pay money and then you can guess how many little cubes are in a jar to win a Lego set. Well, I won 2 times and the competition was only 3 times. So the first 2 times I won, and then one of the Lego sets I decided to give away, but the third time I had to pack the cubes in. I don't know why, I guess they didn't want me to win again, but yeah, thank you Co.za so much. This was a great comp.
You changed. Okay.
Take it in.
How about what did you do? I don't know. rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Is it best of 3 or 1?
Yes, best out of 3. Yes, best of 3, best of 3. Alright.
6 rounds, baby. 6 rounds, baby.
I don't have any money.
Wait, look, we first do this. Okay, you go.
Wait, what is it?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, so
close.
you two.
This is so stressful. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Yes.
No, best out of 1.
Yes.
Alright, so now you still have a chance.
Okay, guys, I'm in. Too late. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright. So now, you two for the final.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Best out of 2.
Best out of 3.
Legend.
I bet, yo.
Okay, speech.
I won three games, 0 losses. I won the first practice game that we played then, but this just shows how you can make a comeback. Inspiration.
And thanks to the sponsor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Keep going.
Okay, pleasure, dude.
Right, so we're about to start with 3x3, round 3, group 1. I'm also not going to skip any of this because it's insane. Take a look. Two PRs in one day. That's insane. Bro, look at what they did. That is so cool. For my last event, I had 2x2 to end off the day. So let's take a look at that. You think so?
Yeah, look at the angles. It's on the side of it.
Man, no.
Sorry.
Done. Alright, so I just arrived home and we're going to be unboxing this Mega Mix. So it opens over here, I think. Alright, so this is how it looks. You get a cube in plastic and you get this useless thing. Throw that in the trash, I don't need it. So let me just open this. Alright, so damn, out of the box it's quite a bit dry, but I think with a nice setup it will feel amazing. This is so smooth and it's so much better than all my other Mega Mixes. So I'll probably use this one for when I'm competing, and then I'll use this guy for warm up, because this is a really special cube. It was given to me by really special people. So yeah, this one for competing and this one for warm up. But yeah, this thing is very smooth. Its corner cutting is really good. It's a UV2M, by the way. So yeah, go buy you this cube at Co.za. Yeah. That wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe. Once again, thanks Co.za for everything that you do. And yeah, guys, enjoy.